Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this Asus. First of all, you need to access Settings, scroll down and choose Advanced. Then click on Twin Apps and tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. I will go with Facebook. Now click on Home button, and as you can see, when I go back and type in Facebook, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!